cardboard.
From this chocolate box. Sridhar, you're going to eat so many chocolates?
No.
Then
We are making a planet.
okay, you're making your planets from this. Such a good boy, not eating chocolates, and you're going to make planets. Or you're going to finish your all chocolates and then make planets.
First, finish all the chocolates.
No. You'll have worms in your teeth, okay? So we'll eat one by one later, but first we'll make planets out of it. Okay. So Sridhar, quickly tell everyone, what do you need for this? Okay, one thing you've told.
I need bangle, razor,
Okay.
2 pencils,
Okay.
acrylic paint,
Okay.
white
Okay.
and yellow,
Okay, and red and other colors also.
and I need sponge.
Okay, for painting.
I need 2 scissors.
Okay, 2 scissors. One for Sridhar, one for Mama. Okay. You're going to place your planets on black paper. Okay. Now we'll quickly tell you how we are going to make this all. So first, spread out your black chart paper or a black colored paper, whatever you have.
We need 1 cardboard.
Okay. And then wrap your black chart paper around it just to see how much you want. Now we'll paste this sheet which we have cut out on this box. We are ready with the black background. First we'll take a pencil and just wrap a thread around it like this and tie a knot. This we are doing because we need to make circular orbits. So we are going to draw with this, a fixed radius. Because itna bada compass is not possible, so we are going to use this. ऐसे कॉर्नर पे इसको ऐसे होल्ड करके पर्टिकुलर रेडियस लेके जस्ट ऐसे स्ट्रेच करके ऐसे सर्कुलर ऑर्बिट्स बनाएंगे हम.
We need paint, white paint. We need brush
And a plate,
and a plate.
water. Okay. So first we are going to spray paint the white stars on this. That's my solar system ready. So if you've liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you're new on this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you and hope you have liked the solar system. Bye bye.